Right, good morning. I completely failed to choose the winners for the tags yesterday, so here we go. I've not pushed anything. I have got the URL of the video that I asked you to leave a comment on, which was that one there. So I've copied it, just going to paste it in here. Now, I don't think it allows me to do eight um, 8 winners. I'll have to do it 8 times. I think that's how I'm going to have to do it. I've had a quick look and I just can't see anything. So filter duplicate users. So I'll put add extra entries. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so get the YouTube comments. There were 17 unique comments. Sorry, I'm not even filming that properly. Yeah, as I say, I think I'm going to have to do this 8 times, so bear with me. Um, no, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to press the start button. So first one, Catherine Little. Go away, adverts. Okay, that's number one. So you guys are going to have to contact me. I'll give you the details at the end. I'm going to have to write these down. Oh, I've got the video. Of course I have. Pick another winner. Elke. Elke, I think it's pronounced. Sorry. So that's number two. Oh, number three, Lynn. Yeah. There's probably an easier way to do this. Number four, Suzanne Wild. Number five, Fiona Eves. I'm trying to keep this still and push the buttons at the same time. Number six is Bronwyn Budgets. Elke, you've won again. That was number seven. So you get two. I think you'll probably tell me to choose another one. Mari, you've won one as well. Elke, I'm going to assume that you're happy with me choosing another. So, Barbara Cheetham. Okay. So I'll leave in the description box below, I'll leave my contact details. If you can just email me your name, your addresses, and I will get your tags off to you as quick as possible. All right, congratulations everyone. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.